Hello, hello. Got something special in the pipeline today. New set of wheels from RCP. Just jumped down to Top Shed to come see Aaron. He's gonna sort us out. Got to change the brake fluid, reservoir because that's cracked. We got Peterborough and a trip in the next few weeks. So should be a good day. Get some jobs done. Roof rack for Aaron's truck. I think there's a couple of teething issues on Nave, so we'll get that all sorted. The new one.
Are you filming this?
Yeah.
Fuck you, mate.
New one is said ready.
As soon as these are off, we'll wind it straight into the new one.
Wind them straight in or pour the fluid in.
Oh, shit, new ones, oh yeah, true.
So the lines are off. Them nuts are off. Just got to free her out. Clean her up, boy. Feel bad, I'm just filming you and you're doing the work.
What? Don't bother me, pal.
Delightful. Rotovers on, I've got the lines.
Struggle to find the hole now, what?
That's why you spit, mate. Push it. Daddy shot.
Look at that. Look at that.
Look at that.
And then, yeah, 4 Uggaduggers.
4 Uggaduggers, yeah?
And then we're good to go, pal.
Just do it all FT.
Yeah, man.
Even brake lines.
Yeah, mate. Do it to the spanner snaps.
New reservoir on. Mine had the sensor, but for some reason the reservoir's slightly different. So, fluid, bleed them up, and get the tyres on. Find what your clonk is. And some custom fabrication for the roof rack. What, the patty?
Bit quick, huh?
Got a channel now, haven't you?
Yeah,
You see, he's got my mug all over it.
all of us.
All of it. It's big dog big.
That's how you do it.
That's it, boy!
Oh, I
Lucy,
heard
Lucy,
murder.
righty tighty.
Righty tardy.
Righty tighty. I'm gonna spin to the right. That's it, pal. Eat some beans.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Don't snap it though.
That's why I don't want to fucking snap it.
Yeah, let me have a little go.
Get
What size
a
you got
mechanic on it.
11.
What are we doing then?
I don't really know. Give up with it, to be honest. Paint the bumper.
Got a bit of lipstick on.
She loves it.
Bit Botox. So what's the plan with the bumper?
Glossy finish.
Custom fog lights.
What we gotta do, mate? New bracket.
Yeah, mate. Voila.
Fabrication. And then, are you gonna go hammered or are you gonna keep the gloss?
Just gloss it.
Too invested.
You can hammer it later.
This has got the Gav seal of approval. Silence. Explain what you're doing.
Custom fabrication.
So it's day 2. We got the wheels on yesterday. Brake servo done, but I got to about midnight and had no pedal feel. Back down there today. Got Aaron's roof rack still to do and other bits and bobs, but I'm pretty happy to say the least. Finger. Size of him, man.
Only got one. Headlights with the LEDs in them look fucking stupid. Because that's with me.
What's your opinion on them headlights?
I like them. Onwards and upwards.
You putting the fogs on?
Oof.
Oh, shalom.
Fuck. Alright,
You can't really see on the camera the little...
that's annoying because they look so good.
Basically, we're restoring a 1975 series roof rack.
The Asian come out there. 1975. Yeah, it's painted it in the gloss black, mate, yeah?
You know the bloody Amorite?
Stick on the disco, mate. Popcorn, mate.
Direct to rust. Didn't even rub it down, mate.
Amorite sponsor us, we use loads of it.
No.
Especially £15 a can.
Yeah, no.
Gareth, would you care to comment on the situation?
I have no comments on my
Right, we've got to get them bars off then.
Well, to be fair, I've bent the legs out on that. Why don't we just try the front one before we paint it?
Beacons are on. Wire them up. You what? It's been 3 days in the Big Brother house.
Poor old Aaron, we collared him, haven't we?
Spray it.
He's
He
like-
was so ready to go
He was
home.
like, I want to go home. We were like, nah, I've got a roof rack to do, mate. Let's do it in the dark. That's when I work best anyway.
It actually is. Remember we painted my checker plate on the bonnet? Pitch black out the back of his house.
Do you remember doing your radio when you first got your truck and you were like,
We were out shooting. You were like, I'm changing the
there, and I
bulbs.
had I literally was like dying and I had flies going around my head and I was just there like, now we'll get it done, mate.
That's the rack painted up. You have to take the bars off the roof to get the clearance underneath. Should have come off a 90, we think, originally. It fits quite well and it's nice being a 2-piece. Bit by bit, beacons are on the back, no work, just the front to do.
The intro music.
Are you going to kink it whilst it's on, is what I'm getting
I
at?
can do if we can lift it up high enough.
Yeah.
And I've got to go get the spanner. Have you got that while you've got your phone? I'll see you in 15 minutes.
Really late work, pal.
That looks good with a roof rack.
It sits so well.
That looks fucking good with a roof rack, that truck.
You know that's only because I want to move it
So you just got to kink that leg in.
Tom, just there in his truck.
Just without his top on.
His nip-nips out.
Like that. Yes, today, big yellow truck.
Hey.
We're gonna go do some roof.
I'm gonna do my that's the top. What's up on the front? I see.
We can't really.
Can't see it because of the light bar.
Really?
Yeah.
Selfie.
No, you can't see it. And it slopes down perfectly. Oh. Yeah, that's good. That's fucking dope. That is actually cool. I just want to get the angles, you know? Show them what we're looking at.